Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you the 7 possible methods on how to solve the something went wrong pop-up error in Spotify for Android and iPhone. So let's get started. Slow internet connection. First up, a slow internet connection can be the culprit. Test it by streaming a video on apps like YouTube or using a speed test. If your internet is smooth, we'll explore other fixes. Signing out and back in. Another solution is signing out and back into your Spotify account. Tap the gear icon, scroll down and log out. After logging back in, check if the error persists. Simple yet effective. Clearing cache data. Spotify's cache data might be causing conflicts. Clear it by tapping the gear icon, scroll down, and select the clear cache. This could give your app a fresh start. Correcting date and time. Incorrect date or time settings can mess with Spotify's data fetching. On Android, go to Settings System, Date and Time, and set it automatically. For iPhone users, in Settings, General, Date and Time, toggle on Set Automatically. App Update. If all else fails, it might be an issue with your Spotify app. Ensure you have the latest version. Head to the Play Store or App Store, search for Spotify, and tap Update if available.
That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.